Morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Wednesday, February the 12th, 2024. Just doing a real estate tap in with you for today. So, looks like the 10-year yield is back up. And the reason why we talk about that is because that's going to affect mortgage rates. As the 10-year yield goes up, you'll see that mortgage rates should increase. The only thing that you could hope for is the spread between the 10-year yield and the mortgage rate get a little bit better. Hopefully they don't start becoming, getting wider in terms of that gap between those two numbers. So I think today the 10-year yield is about 4.6. So you would like that spread between the 10-year yield and mortgage rates probably to be closer to maybe 2 to 2.5, within 2 to 2.5%. So if this was 4.6, you probably hope that the rate could stay around 7. That would be roughly about 2.5% in terms of the spread. Now, if the spreads get worse, then that means interest rates, could be heading towards 7.5. And then obviously that's going to have a major effect on, real estate sales. Most people probably won't, you won't see the demand increase in terms of applications, if the rates continue to go up. And then you can expect home prices in a lot of areas to, start to come down. Because there'll be less demand in the market. So just something to keep your eye out on is that 10-year yield. And, there's a lot going on with this new administration and their tariff policy. That's really affecting the 10-year yield. And you're starting to see the stock market people, starting to sell. Stock market may be coming down. It's going to be, you have to see who I guess, what's the word I'm looking for, changes course. Will it be the administration in terms of the tariff policy, as they see it affect the markets, or will they continue and, just, let things, decrease and come down? And, if that's their stance on it, we'll have to see. And then lastly, we always try to talk about notes. Last week I talked about, using seller financing or creating a note on a property as an investment strategy. One of the other ways that you can use it as an investment strategy is through the installment sale. It does help you with your taxes. Now, I'm not giving anybody tax or legal advice. What I would suggest is that you go talk to your person that prepares your taxes or a tax professional, financial advisor, in regards to the installment sale. It's IRS Section 437. I think it's publication 537, if I'm not mistaken, or it's the IRS code 435, publication 537, something like that. But it's the installment sale. You can actually go to the IRS website and look it up yourself. But this helps you defer capital gains taxes when you sell a property. So, a lot of people have wind up getting a lot of equity in properties right now, hundreds of thousands of dollars in a lot of instances. And if you do sell, obviously, depending on who you are, there's going to be a certain tax burden on that. So it may be better for you to look at doing an installment sale in terms of it being better for your taxes. But talk to your tax professional. But that's just another reason why you possibly want to look at either doing some of your rental properties or, your home, creating a note on it and doing an installment sale. All right. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Have a great one.